Am I live? Alright, whoosh! Hello, hello, what is up? What is up? Welcome, welcome. Welcome, children and adults, to another episode of the Nem Gaming Genshin Impact stream. And I'm sorry if my stream is a bit low quality. I have a story time, children. But before we do that, shout out to Papi Luke and Aki. Thank you very much for liking the stream, yo. And Papi Luke in the chat says yo, yo, yo. I'm not sure if that's a goofy laugh or like a rapper thing. But yeah, I'm sorry if we are having some delays or like lagging in audio or something. Papi Eman, thank you very much for tuning in. I have a story time for you guys. Tangina talaga, dude. Ang malas ng araw na to. But yeah, I'm not gonna rant before I go to my food of the day. Shout out to Uncle Mo Shawarma Hub for sponsoring my meal. My meal! I just ate. Hey, Papi M, and thank you very much for sharing the stream as well. Papi, sorry ito. It's just 4 minutes, kag. Ano, sorry late. Ano ba yan? Is that your hello? Hi, Papi, sorry late. Nah.
What's up, Doc?
You're just in time, bucko. Alright, so before we do this, I need I need philosophies of freedom. Shit, I hate this domain. I hate this domain so much. Yeah, we're gonna do Resin quests. Papi Huta's event and character banner are. Oh, what? What is?
What's up, Doc?
What is the event? Hey, Pia, thank you very much for liking the stream. Wait lang ah.
Special delivery from Mars.
Oy, who sent stars? Oy, Pia Maria Aguila, thank you very much for sending stars. I appreciate it. Wait lang ah. Gagi. Am I lagging? Can someone... Sayo, Diona, and Thomas, staff of Homa and LG of the end. Nah, I don't want anyone other than Toma, papi. So, I think I'm good. I think I'm good with the Hutao banner. We're gonna wait for Xiao. Zhao banner. Admiral Zhao. All good. Kasi, here's what happened though. Early morning, I woke up around 8 a.m. for... it's actually just around 7:30 a.m. for my work. My actual job. And I plugged in my work laptop. Hey, Michelle, thank you very much for liking the stream. I plugged in my work laptop, and since I've been using a LAN cable ever since February because you've had pretty shitty converged connections, and I was thinking it attributes to the Wi-Fi. And this morning, surprise, surprise, the fucking LAN cable got cut. Shout out to the rats in my house. Tang ina nyo. That was a 50-meter LAN cable, dude. And they made it useless in one bite. Tang ina mga taga yan gag. So that's my rant. Fuck rats.
Shine down.
Kinang ina mga daga. Matay na kayong lahat. Well, it'll destroy the ecological balance. But please don't stay in my fucking room. I know my room is warm because of winter time. Come on, dude. You don't need to... we can live peacefully. I love animals, especially mammals. Pero tang ina nyo naman, ba't kailangan nyo sirain yung LAN cable ko? Alam mo, it hurts. And good thing 78 ping ako. Earlier 122 eh. Enough ranting. It's time for battle. It's time to duel. Am I on? Alright, no worries. I'm not on good. Alright then. Fischl is also good with Amos bow, but I mean with the rust, by the way. It looks sexy on Fischl. The black bow. Ganda. Alright, rant over. I'm not gonna indulge you with my misery. But yeah, you might see my stream double up from time to time because I keep canceling the first one because of like early streaming difficulties. It happens sometimes. Sometimes I just need to restart Streamlabs in order for me to have a good stream. But I'm not sure you get that though. But yeah, in plain speak, I need to restart my stream if it's laggy at the onset. Pero tangina mga dagayan talaga. Good thing I skipped Sayu. Uy! Yeah, I just want Tom, papi. Because Toma will work well with Raiden Shogun for me. Auto Paim. Especially for child, yo. Tsaka yung kay Sayu, nag-edit tayo dun eh. Alam ko, as I remember, it came with the Ayaka banner. So that's a no for me.
Midnight! Let's light it up! Shine down!
Whee! Oi, come here, Mr. Bubble. Mr. Slimy Slime. Snishnayan Slime. Ah, damn it.
Let's light it up!
Wait, you mean Yoimiya?
Everybody
Wait,
stand
is it
back.
Yoimiya? Basta yun, I skipped that Sayu thing.
Illusion shattered!
Odds reveal button.
Let's light it up!
Oh wait. Wait, I'm not on wireless mode. Shit, is this the lag? My reactions feel a bit slow.
By royal decree.
And I can't
There's no
switch
escape.
that good. Is this Wi-Fi slowness? Alright. 2 more domains, then we do commissions. And then we do the Labyrinth Warriors. I hope I don't get cursed a lot. But yeah, we'll explore everything for the second part of Labyrinth Warriors. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, guys. I'm sorry about ranting earlier. Pero, you know, fuck them rats for ruining my computer shit. Tangina mga daga yan.
Odds revealed. I'm going in.
Damn you! Time for retribution!
The iframe dodge it actually gives me like 2 ticks of health from Bennett's ultimate, but putang ina. Sit down, slime.
Let's light it
Be
up!
humble.
Illusion shattered!
By royal decree. I summon.
Let's light it up! Everybody stand back!
Burn!
There's a bit of a delay when I'm killing these guys.
Watch out, guys.
Oi, what's up, KLC? Thank you very much for liking and sharing the stream, yo. Welcome, welcome. Sipag mag-farm, ah. Yeah, it's for the child, yo. Today's a Thursday. It's Child's Day.
There's no escape!
Watch out, guys.
Kablamo!
Teamwork is dreamwork!
Wings of darkness.
Verdict is...
I especially hate this domain because of the stamina reduction. Pero you know, it's the only domain where you can get books, so these days. Excuse me. Sit down. Be humble. Alright, continue. Last one. Then we go commissions, yeah? Oh yeah, and be sure to be here on Sunday, or was that Saturday? What's the end of October? We're gonna do our trivia time. We're gonna do our trivia time again, and then we're gonna reveal the Halloween costume. It's so cute! I waited 6 months for that to be revealed. Shout out to High Bear for providing my costumes, by the way.
Illusion shattered!
I can help you if you want. Uy, Papi, thank you for the offer. But I think I'm good. Lumakas na ako ng unti.
Shadow Rip.
Let's light
Black
it up!
Knight falls!
There is no escape!
Burn!
Burn! Don't forget, we're giving away Wilkins and some shit on the trivia time contest on Sunday. So yeah, tune in lang kayo. The more the merrier. And
Illusion shattered!
please help us defeat Papi Eman. Because he is very good at trivia. Hey, Tomoki Lunaris, thank you very much for liking and sharing the stream, yo. What's up?
Everybody stand back!
Wings of darkness.
Comes every night from day. Ah.
Watch out, guys.
Oi, thank you very much for liking the stream, yo. Appreciate it. So yeah, tune in on Sunday around this time, 8 p.m. Maybe later, I'm not sure. Depends, eh. Because if we fall asleep, I'm gonna bike on Saturday and Sunday, so I might be too tired. So we might stream a bit late, but I'll try to make it around 7 or 8. Yeah, because we got to finish the Labyrinth shit. Madaya dapat walang limits yung trivia. Papi! There's a limit, so it can be fun for everyone. I'm not singling you out, but since you're the winner, you have to be singled out. It's champion perks. You have the bragging rights, but you can't be back-to-back champions. It is not UAAP, and it's not up for debate. It's to be fair. Dapat dapat pala gumawa ako ng trivia for me as well eh. Parang ano, yeah, Hyper should facilitate a game show where I beat viewers. Wait. Me wants Hutao. Oh no. I don't want Hutao. Yeah, I have too many pyros. I got Klee, I got Yanfei, I got Diluc, I got Bennett, lahat na. Sino ba bang pyro na hindi ko nakuha? It's time for me to get some others, like Animos or ano pa ba? Hydros. Come on. Come on, Mihoyo. As English people would like to call it Mihoyo. Mihoyo. I'm not insulting them, by the way. I just like their pronunciation. Alright. Huta will at my funeral fight me. Yoimiya. No, I don't like Yoimiya because we have Amber though. That's the OG bow girl. And she has Baron Bunny. The mascot. Yoimiya doesn't have a mascot, only fireworks. She's like Klee. Grown up Klee. Klee 2.0. Yeah, so that's why we don't really need Yoimiya in our life. We just need her for Rule 34. Rule 34 Yoimiya. Please don't Google that, by the way. Children, I'm sorry. And yeah, I'm gonna ask you guys from time to time, how's the stream quality as of right now? Is there like delays, faulty audio, like lags? Not you, Papi Luke, because because you have a very bad connection. What do you mean that good? Sige Papi. Sorry if I need to ask. Pero yun nga. My cable got cut by fucking rats. Tangin ng mga daga yan. Shoutout sa mga daga sa bahay ko. Lahat, ang daming pwedeng kainin, kagatin. Bakit pa yung kable ng internet ko? Where the hell is this cat, dude? Alright, nasa baba siya. I feel dumb. What the? There's some hiding places here. Face reveal na download, sabi ng mga taga. It's Rule 34 and please don't look it up, Papi. What is the meaning of Rule 34? Rule 34, according to long-standing legend, goes something like this. If it exists or can be imagined, there is internet porn of it. Yes.
You should really bring the Knights of Favonius with you next time.
That's Rule 34, yeah, guys. Cleared naman. Sige, thank you. Thank you for confirming, Papi. But I need... Oh nga, face reveal. No, I'd rather reveal my penis. Penis reveal. Dick reveal. I'm sorry, children. That's not meant to be sexual. That's meant to be insulting. Really, Neko? Hentai? Nah, it's not hentai. It's pornification. That's Rule 34. Bakit may Rule 34? Ano ba yan? No, it's ano. Just look it up. Google mo na lang, Papi Kyle Denzel. And if you haven't followed the stream already, please do. Because we're currently at 518 followers. Since the start of October, we've only grown 18. Kawawa naman ako, dick reveal. Sorry. That was not intentional. Bakit may... Wait. Investigate. Blump, blump, blump.
What a lucky day.
There is no escape.
Ayun, nagtabi rin sila, gag.
Finally, I
Beg for mercy.
to the ferry.
Shudder.
How's this? I
Beg for mercy.
If you're happy
to the ferry.
and you know it, clap your hands.
There's more.
Uy, papi, look, galingan mo sa Sunday, ah. Ikaw manok ko, ah. Huwag kang lag, ah. Bawal lag sa Sunday, ah. Talunin natin si Papi Eman, ah. The one to beat. Eman de Luna. Wait, where are my other commissions? Yun ba yung may green background? No, Papi. Anong green background? The fuck you saying, child? Sabungan. No, that's what you call your bet. Ikaw yung bet ko, dude. No, it's not favoritism. It's just that
Time to scout.
I wanna have side bets with High Bear concerning
Brace yourself.
you guys.
Let's get down to business.
Tulungan kita, look. I want for this to give chance to others. No! Okay lang. Mag-compete ka pa rin, pero automatic talo kapag nanalo ka. Ano ka ba?
Beg for mercy.
Baka mamaya taasan ko yung price.
Shudder. More speed.
As ano ka. Alam mo namang, you know that we do random shit here. I might give a better price than Wilkinson shit. Kaya put your best effort, papi. Nanalo ka para matalo. Yeah, kasi, yun nga. For example, Papi Eman has the answers, or maybe he picked may código siya or something. I'm not sure. I'm not saying he's cheating though. But he's very clever kasi. Clever boy si Papi Eman. So we can't let him win every time, otherwise the other viewers will feel disenfranchised. They think nalugi sila. And we don't want that to happen. Everyone's a winner here. I will be there para may thrill daw. Oo, gagi, ikaw yung want to beat. Pero ganito. I'll give you guys a secret. Wait, if Papi Eman wins the trivia time again, he'll get second place. But I'll give him a special question. If he can answer that, I'll give him something good. Worth his while talaga. Sango Pearl? Ano yun? Boba? Pero it's gonna be a secret for now. Remember, sweldo, I have spending money on the 31st. Nem OnlyFans win. Pwede naman.
More speed.
I'll send you pictures of my butthole. Where the hell is my thingy? Butthole pics win. He'll give you Genshin account. No, Papi. I'll give you something better. What's better than a Genshin account? Yikes, Ian na lang. No. Ano ka ba? Joke lang yan. I'm not giving away OnlyFans. That's immoral, guys. Please do not support those. You're just leeching off your desperation. But, yeah, Papi Eman, if you win back-to-back champion, you'll get second place plus a special prize.
Astra.
Ay, di pa pala 9? Ay, sorry.
Thank you for.
Sorry, children. We'll be more wholesome tonight. But, let's wish! Gold! Tang ina mo, Blue. Hindi ka na nawala. Every time I think about it, I dream of blue wishes even in my nightmares and my dreams. Tang inang Blue yan. I hate it. I hate it, guys. Alright. We are done. 24 minutes in on the stream. Ang bilis, ah. Why is it so quick? Let's do Labyrinth Warriors, yo. Teleport! Alright, let's do chapter 2. Labyrinth Warriors chapter 2. Just go. What? Di pa 9? I hate math pero I like counting money. What? Everyone does. Laro us para di ka maboring. What do you mean laro US? Wait, tangina nawawala yung mga chats. You really like building eh. Building what? Samahan mo ko mag-farm. I'm sorry, but we need to do Labyrinth Warriors tonight. This takes a while, by the way. Like 1 hour. And I recently upped my Charm Magic. Charm Magic! Alright, where is the other one? Where's the one that cost 100? Here we go. Enhance natin yan, girl. But yeah, if you want Papi Kelsey after this, samahan kita mag-farm. Since ang tagal mo na rin i-request yan. Pag mabilis net nyo, I'm open for adoption. Papi, magano ka lang, smart 5G. 10 charms at the highest level, 40 charms of a higher level, ingenuity, charm purity to the highest level, brutal divergence without any curative emplacements to heal any characters. Yeah, I don't use this without any character deaths. Yeah, I really don't need this. Complete the Echoes of Extinction. Is that the one where Brutal Divergence na ako eh. Oh, this is open as well. This one will be open in 2 days? Thursday, Friday, Saturdays. This will open on Saturday. So we'll do this tonight. We'll do that tonight.
You want to learn some?
We will be might doing shit. So 7 hours. So Friday. This will reset on Monday as well. The Spiral Abyss, Abyssal Moon. Mag-log out na ako maya. I'm sorry, Elsie. It's not intentional, but you know. We need to finish this. Because this takes a while, yo. Complete pushing on to unlock. Uy! May quest pa to? Tangina naman. Lahat na lang, pinapahirapan ako. 8 o'clock? They need to suffer daw, sabi ni Mo. Yeah, it's true. I'm like...
Knights and aristocrats share
I'm
the
like
same cultural heritage.
working for my money.
But the knights had enough sense to do away with all the superfluous details.
It's been a while now. Do you think the Mystic Onmyo Chamber has finished
The
rearranging
Mystic
yet?
Omnio Chamber! Shut the fuck up, Paimon. The Mystic Omnio Chamber! Nasarap siguro sipain ni Paimon in real life, no? Sorry. It's so fucking annoying, the voice, I mean. Alam kong annoying na voice ka minsan and to others as well. Pero, that shit's next level, yo. Do you think the Mystic Omnio Chamber? Blah, blah, blah. She sounds mentally, mentally disturbed.
Traveler, Paimon!
Paimon!
Kujo Sara's arrived. She's right over there. What's with all the rushing back and
Switch
forth?
Paimon to Japanese
That
voice.
she doesn't trust. The situation's
Yeah, I think MiHoYo should give out an option like that though. Selective characters doing other languages. That's cool, right? Tangina, we'll just switch Paimon and Lisa to Japanese. Even if I don't use Lisa, I'm gonna use siguro Japanese on Eula as well.
Thank you again for your help this entire time. I've brought reinforcements.
Why is she wearing a
It would
bib?
seem that the most critical moments are behind us. So from here on out, the loud noises we heard earlier were probably the result of large numbers of mechanisms. We're ready and waiting for an opportunity to storm the domain.
Why don't you station troops closer to the domain?
In our last operation, our samurai didn't think to maintain a certain distance. When the monster suddenly attacked, they had no choice but to beat a hasty retreat. Once is an oversight, twice would be a grave error. I won't allow such things to happen again.
Oh, Paimon gets it now.
No.
I will return to the Kujo encampment and plan our defenses for the other regions. It took some time, but the Tenryo Commission has assumed full control of this area. With all my heart, I thank the three of you for your assistance. Your promised rewards are not forgotten. Miss Chinyan, please take this letter. Enclosed is a travel permit that I processed personally for you. I applied for the longest duration available. I hope you can use it this time to really get to know Inazuma. I've also arranged your accommodation. Simply follow the instructions in the letter when you're back in the city.
Oh, wow. Free boarding and unlimited travels across Inazuma. I don't know what to say.
It's the least I can do.
Thank you,
Freeloader pala to
ma'am.
eh. Thank you, ma'am. She sounds
I
so
must
dumb
tell
with the
you
accent.
that I
dude.
never did develop much of a taste for songs and music. But given everything you've done for the Tenryo Commission, I will certainly attend your performance if the opportunity...
Kujo Sarah leaves.
That's Shinyan's biggest worry taken care of. Not quite. My biggest worry is still Shiki
Kelsey
Taisho.
says, kawawa naman si Shinyan
What
dyan,
comes
di man
next
lang
has
niya
nothing to do with
makapag-perform.
me, not to
Aw.
mention Red.
No spoilers! No spoilers, please! No spoilers, please.
More speed.
Shiki Taisho!
Shinyan, Traveler, Paimon. A general just passed through here. She was
Her name is Kujasara.
Kujo Sara. I think I remember hearing the name of the Supreme Commander of the Tenryo Commission once. I can't remember his name. But I do remember that Haranosuke played...
Haranosuke sounds like someone in... Let's say the chit-chat... Oh, right.
All right.
Follow me! Buti pa si Zhang hindi ko si Shinyan para kumata sa funeral. Yeah, because you know, he's cheap. I think Shinyan does it for free. He doesn't pay him, yo. Wait, let's do Brutal Divergence. Opposing lineup. Alright, so... I need Faya this time. Faya. Yeah, let's do my initial team. But instead, yeah, I'm gonna use Fischl. Because why not? Wait, who's my third pick? Aiden and Venti. Commence. Commensio.
Oh, here you are.
Pogi, oh. That
So, is this
cheekbones,
everyone?
yo.
You guys, let me tell you. Were you guys worried about me?
No.
You must, as a comrade and old rival. Anyway, when the domain was rearranging itself, the rooms were moving up and down. I even came across a few replicas. They...
Better late than never. Hurry up and fuse with them, Shiki Taisho.
Shigatasho. Cute. It's so cute. Fusion! Ha!
The residual power in these replicas is...
Not enough.
Wait, the domain already rearranged its...
Don't worry too much. There's a pattern to the rearrangement. If I'm not mistaken, we should head in that direction.
Wait a second. Paimon has a question. Shiki Taisho? So how would you know if you were... Last time when we... What if you still can't tell the difference?
I can... Would you believe it if I said...
Not... I can see why you're... Besides, we'll be even more lost if the domain
Kuya, try mo
rearranges
to play
itself
Cookie
again.
Run Kingdom na rin para makasali
Seem
sa
to be
group
more
namin.
anxious
Is
this
that a
time
mobile
around.
game, Bobby?
Let me guess. As far as I which means that in that case, hence the increased anxiety.
Is this all part of your...
It's true. Now then, Traveler, you and I are hardly strangers, and I see no reason for me. It would appear that this place is some sort of combat training ground. There's nothing but fighting and slaughter. This may come as an unpleasant surprise to Miss Shinyan and Shiki. Good and evil, right and wrong, duty and destiny. Are these things really so important?
Sounds
Are
like
they
a
really
traitor.
more appealing than the
Gacha
euphoria
game
of battle
mobile.
and cloak?
You got fight...
Nothing in
I'm
particular.
not
If you're
sure,
not up to,
Bobby.
because fighting.
Because I'm not so much keen into mobile gaming.
Don't look at Paimon.
I play Dota after this though. You just play. Oh shit! I might die. Oh no, I have a swordfish. Get it? Swordfish. Alright, but yeah, I need to change themes. I forgot I need Venti for this because Venti can float, yo. I'm gonna change it to Venti instead of Bennett. I need my floaters, yeah. Uh-huh. And then here we got commence. Nasa shawarma yung bibig ko. Kuya Nem 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 Hunk VTuber era win. What do you mean Hunk VTuber era? I'm not sure I follow. Can you elaborate, please? Carrots and radish. Oh yeah, I got Shikifudo, Shikitaisho, whatever that's called. Do I still lose HP if I get blown up? Yeah!
Think you can get away?
Puta.
Insubordination! Life goes on.
Time for retribution!
Yahoo!
Didn't I just defeat these guys in the domain? Is that Hi Bell? Thank you very much for tuning in. Hi Bell. Hi Bell. I'm doing Labyrinth Warriors right now. Wait lang ah. Okay. Haya. Ano ka? Karate man? Haya! What do you mean, Haya? Hi, there's no karate, man. You don't practice no karate.
What's up, Doc?
Hey, Audrey, thank you very much for tuning in. Yo, what's up? Pray for my net. Oy, Papi Y. Sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak, at ng Espiritu, what do you call that? Espiritu PLDT. Alright. Yeah, there was a challenge that we don't need to use that, so wait. Let's go here first, and then we're gonna double back. Because I wanna do battle first. Let's do battle.
What's up, Doc?
Hey Mandy May, thank you very much for tuning in. We're doing this shit quest again, yo. And the last one opens up on Saturday. So this takes a while to finish, and I'm not sure if that's a bottomless pit. How's it going, eh? Ninja Bell. Are you still on class? If you're still attending class, Hyber, please finish your class first. Mandy May asks, how's it going? Yeah, rats actually just ate up my LAN cable though, so fuck rats. They suck. If I fell down there, how am I gonna get up? Hi Bear says, I'm hungry. Oh, you want me to order you? I'm gonna silently watch while eating. You want some food? What does Hi Bear want food? What food? Okay, that's not destroyable. Ah, your class is done? Okay, sige, watch ka na muna. Shots ka lang dyan, girl. I'm sorry, I'm doing my gay thing. Shots ka lang dyan, girl. Let's do the dire shit. Sit down! Be humble.
Royal decree.
Burn! That's finally breakfast more. It said, wow, diet. Diet.
Is that...
Oh, it's for Faster.
Not diet is lazy, ah. It's delivery, dude. Ano ka ba, Bear? Papadeliver ka na nga lang, tinatamad ka pa. Ginagaya mo, I already brush my teeth. Wow. Ah, okay. You're lazy to brush your teeth. That I understand. That I understand quite well.
By royal decree.
Oh, Valodo. I don't want to do it again. Just to know, make gargle. Gargle with water after or something. Pyro damage. Yeah, we're gonna go with this. Alright, we're gonna go straight up here. Ah! Ah! Lightning arrows! Dumb shits! God damn it, dude! I didn't see the barrel!
Life goes on.
Oh yeah, eh? Yeah, isn't it a hassle if you already brush your teeth and you suddenly feel hungry? That's the biggest hassle of the night. Hasuru in Japanese. Not really, but yeah, you get the idea. Pew! Alright. Elemental skill damage. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get this first before I get this. But there's a quest that I need to get this though. Fuck. I say get this and get this. Wait, why can't I get the orb, dude? Damn it. What's this orb? Yeah, we're gonna double back. Gargle lang ang gawain mo ba yan? Yeah, actually it's my thing though, because if you brush your teeth twice a night, your gums won't be able to take it. Your gum will wear and tear. So I would suggest you just gargle with mouthwash or with water. Either way, it's the same. You're just cleaning your teeth and, you know, prevents you from having shoddy gums. And by shoddy, I mean, like, how do you put it though? Like super overexposed gums in the future. Like, who's that senator? Chel Diok, no? Yeah, you'll be like that. Your teeth will be exposed so much. That's why you just need to gargle with mouthwash. Or, I'm not saying it's bad though. It's just really, it doesn't promote good gum health if you brush twice a night, unless you ate like sour shit or something. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna get dire. Dire structures are fortified.
You can get away. Here we go. Oh, reveal. Go.
Retribution! Sit down. Be humble.
Verdict is...
Oi! Sit down. Be humble. Alright, what do we get? Animal damage bonus, characterization. Death increase stacks up to 10 times. Okay. Okay. The map says I go here. Excuse me. Where are the breakable items? Did that increase my depth? I thought it increases my depth, yo. Alright, let's check it out. My def right now is 1073. If I break breakable items... Oh, it does increase my def. Okay, that's good to know. God damn, dude. Explodey things.
Rise.
Aaron Kemp says, managed to get past one domain without healing wasn't easy, got the 30 primos. I think I got that yesterday though. Didn't I? Yeah, I think I got that yesterday, papi. Ooh, 2 exquisites, yo. But it's trapped. It's bamboozling us. Is that it? No more chests? Okay. I'm back though. Hey, what's up, Kelsey? Thank you very much for tuning in. Shikifuda! Shikitaishu! I wonder what these orbs are for. I didn't really pay attention to the instructions. Okay, I'm gonna die for a common chest, yo. It doesn't even have primos, damn it. It does not have primos, damn it. Wait, are those destroyable? Yeah, for those of you tuned in, thank you very much for stopping by. We are doing the Labyrinth Warrior second phase. I'm not sure what's it called though, but yeah. I have a fish at my back, so I really don't give a shit. Cryo damage bonus. Why? Why cryo? All party team members will have 1% for second. Yeah, we're gonna get this. Lost Kaza during it was really close to losing ally in either, hence he didn't heal, he just died. Primo gems. Alright, there's 2 battle sequences and the boss battle up ahead. Oop, oop, oop. Hey, Papi Robert, thank you very much for tuning in. What's up, Papi? How you doing, Papi? Damn it, I thought I didn't get knocked back anymore.
Wouldn't gliding be faster?
Oh shit, it's the thingies. Retribution! Retribution! Okay, it's gonna explode.
Faster. Rise.
Yahoo! Oh, it's revealed! Brace yourself!
Go.
Yeah, boy. Alright, and another announcement. Please do not forget to tune in on Sunday. A reaction, shockwave the possession. Oh, melt. Yeah, I want melt. Because we're gonna have our Nim 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 Stevat trivia time. Please attend. It's not mandatory, but it's free shit, yo. There is a thingy, a placemat here. You see this? This black shit? This is a trap. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to spring it though. What's happening on Sunday? It's the VAT trivia time, Hyber. You should join too, ah. Suntukin kita, ah. Because if we're gonna go out on Saturday, I was supposed to do this on Friday or Saturday. 30, 31, 1. Yeah. If we our plan to go out was on Saturday, Sunday to Monday, I would have done this on Friday. You're going to give shit again, nice. It's a 500 thing! And sweldo naman eh, so it's fine. Yes, hi Bear join. I'm scared what if I lag sa Sunday. Mark niyo sa calendar sa Sunday, lol. Yeah, please defeat Papi Eman. Hi Bear, not now. Please defeat Papi Eman, guys. Because he is our current champion. I'm freeloading. Sa kapitbahay ka ba nakiki-wifi, bro? Wait, there's a chest here, yo. Dire.
Think you can get away?
My royal
Here we go. Life goes on.
Tourniquets?
Ano? Fidjikidjupajus? What? Happy or you're having a stroke?
Brace yourself. Wheel of life. Yahoo!
Oz reveal.
Whee! Come on!
Brace yourself.
Damn it!
Out of my sight.
Bonk! Alright, are there no destroyable items here? Give me gold. Okay. Okay. I think I cleared this out earlier. Let's go to the right. Excuse me, sorry. Are there no other destroyable items here? Aray, 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 aray! Aray, aray, aray! Lightning shits! Enjoy streaming, Ida. Okay, Ida. Thank you very much for tuning in. It's not destroyable. Alright, what's this? When your active character is within AoE of a lightning barrier, attacking for yeah, I'm not sure what this does, but we'll just hammer on through it.
The mind of our master is righteous and broad. Our enemies flee at the sound of our sword.
Is that a song?
It's a ballad that was once passed down by samurai through the ages.
Puta.
They fought alongside my replicas, and through the power of charm magic, that song is now a part of me. The emotion of that time
I got
shaped
cursed.
me too. Something's coming back to me. Echoes circulating.
Echoes.
It's the emotions and voices that they left in my memory. Some of them were scared. Some were discontent. Others were eager to join the fray, yearning for battle through day and night. The lead samurai addressed Haranosuke as Master Kamuna. He had unyielding respect for him, and always acted on his advice. Strange. What was their purpose in continuing to fight here?
Retraining, duh. What is your purpose in training here? It's a labyrinth, Papi. There is no purpose. You're just... What is this? Is this some sort of hidden passageway? Let me in! Alright, this is the boss fight, yo. It is the boss fight.
By royal decree.
Owie, I forgot I need to hit the orb.
Nice.
Yeah. That was quick. Shit. The balls!
Faster. Okay.
I don't have any stamina for charge attacks, yo.
Wow. Faster.
Retribution!
Bitch. I'm done, bitch. Alright, what do we got? Okay, let's get these. Moving on. Our main story tonight. I'm not sure if you got that reference though, but that's John Oliver. Wait, do I have chests? I do not have chests. I'm sorry. Buti naman hindi ako lagi even if I'm using Wi-Fi, gagi. Shout out to my laptop for sponsoring my stability. Alright, so how do we go from here? There's so many squares. 1. Damn it! Don't make me count, woman. There's a trap. Amazing! Why didn't it get destroyed, yo? Uy, pyro damage bonus. Nakayak naman event end notes. Yeah, it's super long, papi. But wait, let's see. 101.6 because of the pyro damage bonus. Grabe, ang tagal kong ginawa yung floor 1 yan. Nakakaiyak. Yeah, dude, it's called the Labyrinth for a reason. My children, you need... Labyrinths are what we call mazes for dum-dums like us. Kidding. I'm not talking down to you guys. I'm just making sure you know what a labyrinth is, and it's supposed to be difficult though. It is supposed to be difficult. That's why I'm wasting. Yeah, we are an hour in on the stream. Thank you very much for tuning in, by the way. And ba't hindi pumotok to? Katabi naman sila. Oh, tanga lang. Yep.
Time for takeoff. Odds reveal by Wheel of Life.
Oi, wrong move. Midnight Phantasmagoria.
Yahoo!
Orders received.
Puta. Okay. Hit it.
This?
Go in it now. Boink.
Here we go. By royal decree.
Brace yourself.
Bonk. Is it done? Alright. So we go up here first. Um, 10% pyro damage. Okay, let's see if it increased, dude. Oh yeah, it does. It does increase. 134 pyro damage bonus, yo. Kag. Let's go up first. Here. Tangin ng carrots and... Why always carrots and radishes, yo? Give me the shikifuda. Shikifuta. Uy, chest. Puta, tumalsik pa rin ako, gag.
Gracious. Odds reveal by. Let's play.
Think you can get away?
Wheel of life.
Burn!
Burn!
Yahoo!
Howie, dude? What the fuck was that? I thought this guy was dead.
Let's play. Go.
Burning kiss?
Yahoo! Wings of dark.
Rise.
Burn!
Bitch! I got pyro fish, yo. Alright, let's go draw charm, yeah? Electro charge, that's... What's electro charge? That's hydro and electro, right? Damage is increased by... Yeah, let's get this. Even though I really don't go lower though. Ah! Trap! Attack increase by 20%! God damn, dude. Alright, we're done here. Let's go back. Let's roll on over back where we came from. To the right. I need to think. Should I heal up with this? No, right? Nah, we don't need it. We have Chi-Chi. We have the Mon Chi-Chi. What the fuck was that, dude? Explodey shit.
Life goes on.
I'm sorry for cursing, by the way. It's past 9 na eh, so... No children. I'm kidding. But yeah, wait. Is this the one where we started from? Oh yeah, this is it. Wait, 1 sec. Shit, it's been an hour. We haven't finished half of this. Or, I think this is just 2 floors, right? Liar.
Time for takeoff. I summon thee! Wheel of
Retribution!
But I'm much helpful. May puting buhok na yung mga bulbul mo. Your pubes have gray hairs, papi.
Brace yourself.
Stop kidding yourself.
Shadow Ray.
Oh no, it's
Life
immune.
goes on. Think you can get away?
Smiley face ka dyan, dude. But you really have to
Here we
wonder,
go.
though.
By royal decree.
Old people have gray pubes.
I summon thee. Go.
Rally!
This?
Alright. Exploration buff. Yeah, we're gonna get this. Alright. We have a few more blocks to go. Fuck. Treasure room is up next. Whee! It says it's a treasure, but where the hell is the treasure? Okay, a normal person would do it like this. Because the treasure is here. But how the hell are we gonna get out? Ah, like this. Okay, normal person mode. We're not gonna use Venti. Whee! Alright. Alright, so is there just one treasure? I'm not convinced. I think there's some more. Unless I'm greedy though. No, there's only one. Shit, bad trip. Alright, it's a battle room. So, lapit na, lapit na. Excuse me.
Time for takeoff.
Oh shit.
Odd reveal by Wheel of Light.
Abyss of light shine.
Let's play. I summon thee.
As you...
Burn!
Of grace.
By royal decree. Yahoo! Rise. Go.
No rest for the...
Yeah, let's kill this guy. Here we go.
Grace be upon you. The power of revelation.
Rise.
When the Abyss Heralds came out, they seem kind of scary. Right now, they're just weak-ass shielders. They're not even worth killing.
How rude. Here we go.
Grace be upon you. Peace and hope find you. The power of revelation. The truth shall set you free.
Okay?
Brace yourself.
Hear ye
Life goes
the
on.
words of joy. Grace be upon you.
I can't see the HP bar, yo.
The door
Yeah, bitch.
opened unto you.
Alright, what are we gonna get? Elemental skill damage. Okay. Alright, we go here first. Wait. Whee! Oh shit, I almost hit the barrel, yo. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm gonna get this physical damage bonus. And then we're gonna explore this a bit further before we enter the next room. Ay! Paikot pala yung ginawa ko, gag. Wait, madam-dam, gag. I am a bit dumb, aren't I? I'm so dumb sometimes. Does this mean I've explored this already? Tangina, I'm lost na naman, gag. Mahirap yung part 2. No, it's a bit easy, but you need to be careful of traps. Because there's a herald. And if you don't have the correct pyro or cryo characters, you might die. Wait, nawawala ba ako? Yeah, I'm gonna get this stamina cost thingy. Okay, this means I've already explored this now. Wait, I can feel treasure coming from the back. No? I felt wrong, I'm sorry. Meow. Alright, so we only have how many chambers to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chambers to go. Yeah, and we'll pick Dire.
Think you can get away? By royal decree. Go.
Retribution!
Tangina, snolo mo yung don, hindi ka man na nag-share.
Life goes on.
Shadow wave.
Damn you!
Yahoo!
Oy! I need to heal Gulu! Mark him, GG!
Rise.
Burn!
Let's play.
Go.
Owie, dude.
Insubordination! Oz revealed by...
Yeah, bitch. I almost died. Okay, let's get this. Okay, treasure room is this way. Excuse me. Are there any traps? Are there any traps? This seems too good to be true. I can feel a trap, dude. Ah, I knew it. Collapsing ceilings, motherfucker. Alright. Alright, there's a trap there. I should be careful. Unless I want to trigger it, though. No, we're not gonna trigger it. We're just gonna snipey-snipe these bowls. Or pottery or whatever. Fuck. It's a healing thing. Does that mean I can go forward? Yeah, I think I could. I could go forward. Daming gulay, hindi na ako kain gulay, gag. Oh, there's a chest here, don't forget. 2 chests here, don't forget. Alright, I think this is the last boss, yeah? Yikes, di nakain gulay. Yikes ka dyan.
Royal decree! Time for takeoff. Life goes on.
Okay.
Retribution!
Insubordination.
Here we go. Think you can get away?
Verdict is...
Yung mas makunat pa yung ano, yung wizard kesa din sa lawa, term gag. Yeah, I think that's super easy. Is it not? Wait, how many floors is this, by the way? 3 floors? Mapiyaman, tapos mo na ba to? Or Audrey, tapos mo na ba to? Mga mams, mga sis, mga sis. Do you done with this? Do you done?
Finally, the last room.
Hindi ka pa nga nagagawa.
Hasn't been easy.
Gagi, pag ginawa mo to, ilang hours yan? Lahat to siguro, abutin
This
ka 8
room
hours.
is very close to the deepest part of the Onmyo chamber. Haranosuke and I remember we would watch
Ikaw pa rin
martial artists.
So you and
That is one possibility. Perhaps it was.
Hey, I can have positive.
I'm just trying to make a logical. My memory is what's more. I sense that if we.
Who the hell is Haranosuke?
This Onmyo chamber was built ages ago, wasn't it?
wait, Traveler, you're not about to.
Looking at your expressions.
We don't need to get too... Alright, here goes. In the very beginning, all we heard was that when we met you, we had our reservations, but we trusted Shinya as we ventured deeper and deeper. But even now, you never know what you'll find in a chest until you open it.
Schrodinger's
And now
chest.
we've arrived at that moment. We need to be ready for whatever it contains.
Don't Lexi and
I see. Until now, I had my doubts about why you had decided to help. I'm afraid that barring new information, it's impossible for me to... I am just a Shikigami, created by an onmyoji, with nothing more than a few fragmented memories to my name. Our bond is one of trust. My bond with Haranosuke
Is this deep,
is
yo?
one of responsibility. As my creator, I have a duty to follow him. And if he does turn out to be evil, then my destiny, if I am able, I wish to retain the kindness
kaya
in my
tayo speaker
heart
niya ayusin
until
yun.
the very end.
Yeah, Audrey.
But a weapon cannot betray
It
its
needs to
master's
be.
will.
It needs to be cleared.
If he was able to create me, then he is able to control me. So, if Haranosuke and I go on to cause harm to others, I trust that you will provide a fitting end for the two of us.
Great! Leave all the heartbreaking decisions for us, why don't you? Still, that was an honest and inspiring speech. Good enough for Paimon. What do you think?
Okay.
wait, were you two planning this line of questioning all along?
Not bad at all. You were testing to see whether there were still missing fragments from Shiki Taisho's memory. Ah, you've grown, Traveler.
What do you mean, testing? It's like Shinyan besides.
Shiki Taisho refrained from claiming an allegiance, which sounds like the action...
Well,
Well, even good guys lie and manipulate at times. The fact that you were...
It's just like Shin... Oh, got it! It's an honest...
Work for work.
Well then, if so,
Shikitash.
I know.
Chikatasho.
Trouble's fine, as long as we can win in the end.
before we get ahead of ourselves, we need to be ready...
Unfortunately, if that is the case, I'm sorry.
Personally, I would... Well, if the...
And you'll be off on...
Oh, don't worry, I'll be making...
Okay. Alright, it's done. Uy. I'm missing something. Fuck. I missed something. I'm missing 120 points, yo. Fuck. Baka 2880 lang yung maximum for this stage.
Darn it!
No. We need to make sure Red keeps...
I'm sick of this domain.
Still, it's lucky that Red and Shiki... Well, same as... Until then.
Next time.
Whee! I'm done. Second phase complete. Alright. Yeah, we're not gonna do that right now. Yeah, no. Event shop. Select. Alright, we're gonna buy this. We're gonna buy this. More. Yeah, sure. Enhancements. Yeah, I'm getting drained with the lazurite fragments. Let's get this. 4421. Wait. Because I don't have any Geo characters, that's why it got piled up, yo. Yeah. Let's get lightning. And 120. Yeah, huh. What the hell is this, dude? Path of the Taisho. Current trial. Claim it. Alright, there's a quest for this tomorrow. Martial trial. Ooh, I got 3. Brutal divergence without using any creative emplacements to heal any characters without character deaths. Character deaths. Alright. 200 opponents, 40 charms of a higher level. So I need to get the purple ones instead. To the highest level, purity. And I need to do 6 party members on the Vengeful Wood and Echoes of Extinction quest if I want to do that. Because it's just the rewards. Purity, Charm Magic, Ingenuity. Purity. Yeah, I think we should max this out first. %. Okay. Ingenuity. Can I max this out? No, I cannot. But I get 60 primos. Alright, for me to get this Ingenuity the highest level and 40 charms to 100 opponents. Okay. I need to get blue charms, just blue charms then. Ha! Alright. Let's do some quick draws because I wanna consume my pity or get a child C1.
What's happening?
Let's do some draws, yo. Let's pull. So we can consume PT. Alright, my current PTs is at... My current PT is at... 11. Ilan na PT mo na? Yeah, I just mentioned 11. Sorry. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tangina mo, puro blue. Wish! Purple. Yun, purple. Thank you. Yanfei. Yanfei. Ay, Ningguang. Not bad. It's not bad. Oh shit, I can't. I cannot. Ningguang is at C5, yo. Gain 7 star jades. Hindi ko naman alam yung gamit din eh. Alright, and before we proceed, one sec, let's level up child talents, by the way. Level up child talents. Yeah, I need to level up Shangling talents. Uy, what the fuck? Ano nangyayari? What the fuck is happening? Ano nangyayari ba, gago? The fuck was that? Why am I on top of the mountains, yo? Dude, that was a bug. Crash, gago. Anong nangyari? What the fuck was that? Did you guys see that? I have like 70 fates. Iyak ako pag di na ako nakahuta. Tangina, nag-bug, gag. Oh, weird, pero that was cool. I got teleported to Liwei. First time real bug, yo. Alright, let's level up talents. Havoc. Alright, this is gold, so... Let's get this first. Riptide! Ah, shit. Alright, so I need silvers. Nakita mo yung mismong pag-teleport. Oo nga, yun nangyari. I was just changing characters, yo. Wait, ano uli yung talent materials ni Chef? Palad ba to? Freedom. I need silver freedoms. Silver freedoms. Children hasn't come. Oh my gosh, Mandy May. The banner is only up until Monday. You need to use the 5 free acquaints to get it. Extra. Damn it, just 6. I got Chi-Chi for my 50-50. Now she C1. Oh, good job, E. Welcome to the Chi-Chi fan club. If you hate Chi-Chi, yeah, I can't do anything for you. I'm sorry. You're too far gone. Alright, so everything's at level 6. Except this. Why the fuck do I need 6? Ah, because he has a talent that +1s. I love Chi-Chi. Yeah, dude. Chi-Chi the best. Riptide duration by 8 seconds. Foul Legacy melee stance. Crit hit. Normal charge attack. Later replace that. Move on then. If you hate Chi-Chi, deserve. Wait. What's Riptide? Once every 1.5 seconds. Alright, so I need Guides to Freedom. I didn't get any gold. Damn, Child drops his own Child drops his own talent level up materials, no? It's so dumb. Alright, I need to get Varanada Lazurite gemstones. Varanada Lazurite gemstones. I need 6 of those, I think. Yeah. This is fine. I love the lolly kids. Yeah, dude. So cute. So cute! My fiancé one is 50, now is C1. Ooh, child? Wow! Dude, congrats! But wait. Shit, I need 9 more of these tomorrow and 11 more of these. I'll be playing Asia today. Wow, good luck, good luck. Please level up your characters more. And see you! If I have Bennett and Shangling on the party, my attack is 3k. It's 3k! Oh, is it in the Calibre? It's a Discord. What? I feel like a beginner again. But yeah, you have more chances of feeling euphoria from the wishes though. Because my wishes suck recently. My wishes suck. Alright, so I think that's it. Let's continue this tomorrow until the next day 8 PM, like here. And yeah, we're gonna sign out with Child first time. Because he doesn't have his ability up, but
I
yeah.
wonder what the rest of the Harbingers are up to.
I'm not sure.
Plotting and scheming on an ever grander scale, no
I
doubt.
just got to AR45 on my EU account. Wow, congrats. Grabe. You have so much time. But yeah, for now, thank you very much for tuning in. Have a great night. Stay safe. We're gonna do part 3 of the Labyrinth Warriors tomorrow. And catch you all tomorrow.
Tidal wave.
Tidal wave. Wait. Alright, see ya guys. Why is he moving forward and he attacks? Alright, wee! Alright, catch you all tomorrow. We'll leave with Tartaglia instead of Pride and Shogun. Alright, stay safe. See ya!